Yo, what up? It's the Cosmic here. I just wanted to go over some of this black backlash I've been receiving. You guys are hilarious, honestly. I am not perfect. I am possibly wrong. One, I apologize for calling Mark's crowd scanning cameras quote unquote ghetto. I said that. I apologize. Bad wording. But what I was trying to get at is that they are making moves. They are making moves and collaborating with a partner that has an already established scanner. They're old scanners, as you can see right here, Mr. Helson, who's calling me out saying that I need to study more and slash fact check. Thank you. Thank you for calling me out. I want you to fact check me. I don't want you to sit there and follow my calls or things that I say. I want you to do your own research. And this is exactly why. Because I'm not always correct. Nobody is always correct. If anybody claims that they're always right, then you should tell them to fuck off. So I just wanted to make a quick video. Yes, the two cameras, the one's in Wynn's video and the one that Telpo has, are two completely different systems. One is for individual scanning and the other one is for group scanning. And I apologize for the miscommunication and any misconstruction that I have explained in my last video. I hope this all clears it up. I hope y'all understand what I'm trying to do is actually show y'all that there is bigger moves for Mark. What you're doing is you're arguing against the same side. We're all bullish on Mark here. We all know that they're making moves and this is a stock to actually be in. But y'all are sitting there getting into semantics, and I understand it and I appreciate it, but at the same time, just realize that we're all on the same team, guys. I love you. Thank you for fact checking me, and I want you to fact check me. I love this. I love that you fact check me. But just realize that we're all on the same team here. All right? Anyways, again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not professional financial advisor, obviously, from all this, hate that I've been getting right here on Stock Twits. Reason why it's called Stock Twits. But anyways, y'all have a good one. Peace.